Hello, how you guys doing out there? My name is Imtiaz Mohammed. I'm an independent marketing associate of the One Life Network, and my input here today is to show you all how to set up the merchant profile and the merchant address. So let's get right into it. You want to open the browser, whether you're using Google, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, it's your choice. And we want to go right into dealshaker.eu or dealshaker.com. And the account has already been set up on the previous tutorial. So I will log into the merchant name, username, click login. Now make sure that the username is accurate. And then you go and put the password. Again, make sure it's accurate. And then you want to utilize the security feature, the CAPTCHA, and it must be common. Make sure all letters are typed in accurately. And then you want to click login. It will take you into the back office of the DealShaker. You will see on the top right hand corner, you will see home, hello to the merchant's name, a bell, and whether it's English or Spanish or French, whatever language is appropriate for you. So over here, you want to click on hello, merchant account. When you click on merchant account, it takes you automatically to the window where you need to add new merchant address or new merchant profile. In this case, we will set up the profile first. So you will click here, add new merchant profile. Now there's English and different languages appropriate to your region. In this case, we are using English. So the name of the merchant goes right here. And what you need to do in the description, you must describe exactly what the merchant is about to sell, what products or what services they are about to offer. So you'll give a brief description in the area here. This merchant in particular is into auto parts and accessories. You can elaborate, you can give a brief description, whether they have been in the business for, let's say, a couple of years, or a brief history as well. And in this area, if it's an individual seller or a registered business, you want to select this area here. In this case, we will select individual seller. Email goes in this area here. Make sure the email is accurate. This is very important because all the information through DealShaker compliance department, they will send information through the email. So you want to make sure that the email is correct. Select the country that you are in. In this case, we are in Trinidad and Tobago, so it's already there. The city where the merchant resides or located. Street address as well. You want to be precise with the information. We use +1868 for Trinidad and Tobago. In your region, you need to select the necessary numbers for the phone area, allocated area. Cell contact number or whatever contact they can contact you at. And if you have a website, you can enter the information in this area. It will be a URL, www. etc. and you can enter it here. What deals do you want to run in the DealShaker? We are running sale of auto parts and accessories. So you want to be precise as well as to what deals you intend to run on the DealShaker platform. This will encourage well, I would say the persons who wish to purchase, it will encourage them as to what you are selling or providing. So once all the fields are filled out for the profile, just double check make sure everything is perfect. You click the two boxes, I agree with DealShaker terms and conditions, I accept DealShaker privacy policy, and then you can go right ahead and save changes. As you notice, merchant profile successfully registered. It will come up shortly. Right, and this tells you that your profile has been set up. There's an area here, submit for approval, edit details, or delete. Now, at this stage, don't submit for approval as yet. What you need to do at this stage, you need to go to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click Address Book. We are now going to set up the address of the merchant, where the merchant is located, and where you will be either redeeming at location or dealing with the merchant direct. So add new address. Here will be the person's name in this area. So it's Mr. Keston Pierre. His name is already there. And in this tab, assign to merchant profiles. Now you can have more than one profile. In this case, when you click on the area, the merchant profile that we set up previously will automatically pop up here. As you can see, KPA SAA. All other fields must be filled out for the address as well. You can type it in, or if it's already saved on your laptop or computer, it will automatically pop up. Zip code, we use 40 for Trinidad. In your area, you will have the allocated numbers. Address and contact number, we use +1868. In your area, different numbers. Cell number, get the fields, all fields filled out. Folks, it's very important. Your profile is important. The information is important as well for compliance. They need to know who you are, where you are, whatever you are doing. Compliance is very, very strict about this information. First name. Now, in this area, if you have employees, you can also put maybe the name of the employees as well who will be redeeming the coupon. Mr. Keston is his own employer and employee, and his name goes in this area. Now, working from, whether you work from, let's say, Monday to Friday, you need to select. So you can select Monday, and you can put either Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, as the case may be. You open from, let's say, 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning. You want to select this area here, let's say 9 a.m. until, well, they use GMT time, so you can put, let's say, 4 in the evening, 5 in the evening, it will be roughly 1700 hours. So you just want to double check, ladies and gentlemen, check all fields, make sure they are accurate, you are comfortable with the information, and then you save changes. When you save changes, it will tell you success. You just added a new address. It will come up shortly. And there it is. Now, this information, in fact, can be edited. Edit details if you need to change at present. So, if you are comfortable with the merchant account, you are comfortable with the address, then you can click merchant account, and then you can submit for approval. Now, what I would like to recommend, don't submit for approval as yet until you have created a deal. So, ladies and gentlemen, in another tutorial, we will show you exactly how to create a deal, how to draft a deal, and all the areas and tabs and information required to get your deal on the DealShaker platform. Thank you.